Zuzu loved to play. He played with his cars and his blocks. He played with his teddy bear and his toy train. Zuzu didn't like to go to bed. Bedtime, his mom would call. But Zuzu wanted to play more. Just 10 more minutes, he would plead. One day, Zuzu got a present. It was a big, shiny alarm clock. But this was no ordinary clock. This clock could talk. "Hello, Zuzu," said the clock in a cheerful voice. "I'm your new friend, TikTok. It's time for an adventure." Zuzu was amazed. A talking clock? What kind of adventure could it be? "Where are we going?" asked Zuzu, his eyes wide with wonder. "We're going to the City of Time," chirped TikTok. "But first, close your eyes and hold my hand." Zuzu squeezed the clock's little handle. Suddenly, everything began to spin. The room whirled around and around. When Zuzu opened his eyes, he was in a magical city. Buildings were made of giant hourglasses. Streets were paved with twinkling stars. "Wow!" gasped Zuzu. He couldn't believe his eyes. This was the most amazing place he had ever seen. Friendly creatures made of clocks and sundials greeted Zuzu. They smiled and waved their hands, which were actually clock hands. "Welcome to the City of Time, Zuzu," sang a clock with a chime like a grandfather clock. "We've been expecting you," Zuzu laughed. This place was so much fun. TikTok led him through winding streets, past shops filled with sparkling hourglasses. "There's so much to see and do!" exclaimed Zuzu. He couldn't wait to explore this magical city. Zuzu raced through giant clocks, their ticking echoing like drum beats. He solved puzzles made of gears and springs, learning how time worked. He met sleepy owls who told him about the magic of dreams. He played hide and seek with playful moonbeams who explained how sleep helped him grow bigger and stronger. Zuzu realized that going to bed early wasn't so bad. In fact, it gave him more energy to play and explore. It even made him smarter. When it was time to go, Zuzu hugged TikTok goodbye. He closed his eyes and wished to return to the City of Time soon. Back in his room, Zuzu snuggled into his blankets. He was tired from his adventure, but excited for tomorrow. He knew that a good night's sleep would bring new adventures in the City of Time.